Hello and welcome to episode 5 of Cooking with Marshmello. What's on the menu for today, you're wondering? An age-old classic, chicken cheesesteaks. Sounds mouth-watering already. Let's get this one started, Mello. Our ingredients for today are 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 chopped onion, red and green chopped bell peppers, salt, freshly ground black pepper, thinly sliced boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, provolone cheese, bread rolls. To begin, please place our skillet at medium heat and add our oil. Next, add the onions and bell peppers and season them with our salt and pepper. Cook these for 10 minutes until they're very soft. And don't forget to stir occasionally. Now, add our chicken and Italian seasoning to the mix. And stir. Cook for about 10 minutes until our chicken is golden.
Yeah, I like to keep it mellow.
Now top it off with provolone cheese and cover the lid for 1 minute to get the cheese melted. Go ahead and scoop the mix into our bread to make things official. Chicken cheesesteaks. I think you've outdone yourself here, Marshmello. Be sure to stay tuned and let us know what you want to see cooked up next.